I'm Jannati, and in today's maths lesson, we are going to learn how to find LCM and HCF. But before we get started, what are factors and multiples? Factors are the numbers that we multiply to get a number. And multiple is the number that we get after multiplying those factors. So, we multiply factors to get multiple. For example, 2 times 3 equals to 6. Here, 2 is the factor of 6 and 6 is the multiple of 2. And 3 is the factor of 6 and 6 is the multiple of 3. Another example, 4 times 5 equals to 20. Here, 4 and 5 are the factors of 20 and 20 is the multiple of 4 and 5. Another example, 5 times 7 equals to 35. Here, 5 and 7 are the factors of 35 and 35 is the multiple of 5 and 7. Now that we know what are factors and multiples, it will be easier for us to understand LCM and HCF. So what does LCM stand for? LCM stands for lowest common multiple or least common multiple. By seeing its name, we can understand that we have to find the smallest common multiple. Again, multiple is the number we get after multiplying factors. One easy and quick way to do it is, let's find the LCM of 18 and 30. 18 and 30. So to find its LCM, I'm going to write it like this. I'm going to give a comma between the two numbers and then give a L. Now we are going to look for the smallest number which can divide 18 and 30 without leaving any remainders. So what is that number? We are not going to use 1, so the next number is 2. Can 2 divide 18 and 30 without leaving any remainders? Yes, it can. So we are going to take 2. So 2 times how many is 18? 2 times 9 is 18. So we are going to write 9 here and then give the comma. 2 times how many is 30? 2 times 15 is 30. So we are going to write 15 here. Now again we have to find the smallest number which can be used to divide 9 and 15 without leaving any remainders. What number can do that? 1? No, we will not take 1. 2? Can 2 divide 9 and 15 without leaving any remainders? No, it cannot. So now 3. Yes, 3 can divide both 9 and 15 without leaving any remainders. So we are going to take 3. 3 times how much is 9? 3 times 3 is 9. So we are going to write 3 and give the comma again. 3 times how many is 15? 3 5s is 15. So we are going to write 5. See, now we have two prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which can be divisible by 1 and the number itself. So there are no numbers which can divide both 3 and 5. So we are going to leave it at that. And now to find the answer, we are going to multiply all the numbers which are on the outside. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 5 is 90. So The LCM of 18 and 30 is 90. When we are told to find the LCM of 3 or more numbers, we can take the smallest number which can divide any two of the following numbers. So let's find the LCM of 12, 15 and 30. 12, 15 and 30. Here we might think that we can take 2 or 3, and we might also think that 3 would be the best answer to take because 3 can divide 12, 15 and 30 without leaving a remainder, but 2 can only divide 12 and 30 without leaving a remainder. But here we are going to take 2. As we are finding the lowest common multiple, we are going to take the smallest number possible. So 2 is the best answer for over here. So we're going to take 2. 2 times how much is 12? 2 6 is 12. Now 2 cannot divide 15 without leaving a remainder, so 15 will remain as 15. And now 2 times how much is 30? 2 15s is 30. Now you see we have 6, 15 and 15. So we are going to find the lowest, smallest number which can divide these 3 or any 2 without leaving a remainder. We'll start from 2. Can 2 divide any 2 of the following numbers without leaving a remainder? No, it cannot. So we will take 3. 3 can divide 6, 15 and 15. So let's take 3. 3 times how much is 6? 3 2s is 6. 3 5s is 15. Again 3 5s is 15. Now which number can divide any 2 of these 3 numbers without leaving a remainder? That number would be 5, because 5 1s is 5 and no other number can divide these 3 numbers without leaving a remainder, or any 2 of these 3 numbers without leaving a remainder. So we are going to take 5. We cannot divide 2 by 5, so 2 will remain as 2 and 5 1s is 5. 5 1s is 5. We are going to stop when we cannot divide the set of numbers anymore. So let's multiply 2 times 3 times 5 times 2 times 1 and times 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 5s are 30 times 2 60 times 1 it will remain 60 times 1 60. So the LCM of 12, 15 and 30 is 60. Let's learn how to find HCF. So what does HCF stand for? HCF stands for highest common factor, and factor is the number that we multiply to get the multiple. So to find the HCF of 2, 3 numbers, we are going to have to find their prime factors. Let's find the HCF of 2, 4 and 6. Unlike LCM, we are going to divide them individually. 2 2s are 1. 2 is a prime number. And then 4. What are the prime factors of 4? 2 2s is 4. And then if we divide it again, 2 1s is 2. Now 6. 2 3s is 6. Then 3 1s is 3. See, over here we found their prime factors. The prime factor of 2 is 2. The prime factor of 4 is 2 and 2. And the prime factor of 6 is 2 and 3. So to find their HCF, we are going to take the common factors between all these three numbers. The common prime factor here in these three numbers are 2. 2 has the prime factor 2, 4 also has 2, and 6 also has 2. We are not going to take 2 and 3 because they are not common in all the three numbers. We are finding HCF, that means we are going to find the highest common factor. Common number between these three numbers is 2. Their HCF is 2. Now let's find the HCF of 12, 72 and 42. Again, we are going to find their prime factors and then take the factors which are common in all the three numbers. We are going to take that number or those number and we are going to multiply them, and then we are going to have the HCF. So let's divide 12. 2 6 is 12. 2 6 12. 2 3 is 6. 3 1 is 3. Now 42. 42 is also divisible by 2. So 2 20 1s 42. So now 3 7s is 21. So 3 and 7. 7 is also a prime number. So 7 1s 7. Prime numbers are numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. So we have to find the prime numbers in order to find the HCF. We are going to find all the prime numbers and take the numbers which are common, and then we can find their HCF. 72. 2 36 72. 2 18s 36. 2 9s 18. Now 3 3s is 9 and 3 1s is 3. In all these three numbers, the prime factors which are common in all these three numbers, we are going to take them. We have 2 2 2, and we don't have any more 2's in 42. 3 3 is here and in 72. Prime numbers which are available in 12, 42 and 72 are 2 and 3. We are going to multiply 2 and 3 in order to get the HCF. HCF of 12, 42 and 72 is 6. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and now you can find LCM and HCF. So if you have anything to say, just comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!